The decadence that you have come to find in your lifetime, that the world is plagued with, know that you are the cure. There is no cure beyond you. You have to get back right-mindedness. And we are going to ensure that you do. TUNATOSHA is a learning channel for high context responsibility nurturing. That is you, daughter and son of Al-Kabulan, the steward of humanity. Regardless of where you are currently located in the world, you have a responsibility and an obligation to usher in what must become, and that is a sanitized world that is decontaminated from the activities of degenerates. And you, daughter and son of Al-Kabulan, have to begin with self.